you some more high quality content, and today we're going to be doing a cold air intake install on my 2013 Dodge Dart. Let's get to it. Alright, so today we're going to be using the 180 piece tool set that I got from AutoZone for $100 to install my Injen SP series cold air intake. And I've been warned by staff of my apartment complex that there's some drugged up guy that like bum rushed one of their cars. So if we see him, maybe I'll get to hit him with a torque wrench. Oh yeah, those struts are real fucking nice now. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do, remove the engine cover. Looks like, and that just comes right off. Set that aside. And it doubles as a nice little tray for the bolts. Now we're gonna disconnect the vacuum line and the intake tube. Sorry. Boom. Pull that aside. With the smaller vacuum line. Gotta pull out the pliers. That is a tough line to get off. What, they fucking blew it in here? I wouldn't be too surprised if I did. Pressure. Oh no, this little fucking clip. Oh, it's like one of those ones from the hose. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Get a screwdriver. Oh, finally. Oh. Set that aside. Now. this just pulls right out. Can't see a damn thing. We're gonna remove these two bolts. I think no, they're not. There's some bolts in here somewhere that I'm gonna find and remove to get this off. Pressure on it. That's the last screw. Alright, should pop right out. Okay, now I think we're going to take out the bracket. The air box. Shit looks like it's fucking welded in. Somebody put tape over it, over one of my bolts. So I don't know what happened here before, but as you can see, that is tape over one of the bolts that I'm supposed to remove. Got those off. Oh my god, there's clips on this fucking thing too. Oh, when in doubt, snap them bitches off. Alright, so now the old intake is completely off. And it's over there. So now we're gonna go ahead and get out some of the new parts. The first thing we're gonna do is install this viber mount onto the frame right here where that bottom bolt is. In theory, this should be the easy part. The whole thing's really easy. It's just getting the fucking bumper off the hitch. Just a couple twists and that comes off right by hand. And then this is your viber mount. We're gonna slide that. Yep, it's on there good. So now we're gonna take our hose with clamps and attach it to the turbo. Sounds like there's a fight going on. Some shit over there. Apologize for that. Alright, I guess that's as good as it's gonna get, really. So, yeah. Clamp going on the turbo. I'm actually gonna loosen this one. That pipe slides in nice and easy. Oh, I also live by the airport, so there's a bunch of planes going by. Now, I'm going to take the upper intake tube and slide it in there. Don't tighten it though. Beautiful. Now you're going to connect all your lines. So, vacuum. Until you hear it click. Push the vacuum line back on. I'm going to use my pliers for this. Alright, now all my lines are attached. So now, since I'm using cold air, I'm going to take this. If you wanted to do a short ram, you would just throw the filter on right to this. But like I said, I'm doing cold air. So we'll put the 3-inch clamp on. 3-inch hose on. Final piece, and we're going to install it to the mount bracket, or the rival mount that we installed down here. Bring you guys around. It lines up right where we mounted that. And I have the bolt. They provide a nut and washer. So, put the washer on. Oh yeah, that motherfucker's secure. Fucked up my video. Honestly, I'm not even sure if it would, if it saved my video or not. I might not have gotten the footy, guys. Alright. Last step. Installing the air filter. She's done. Now you just fire her up, give her a couple runs. Sounds fucking sick. I'm happy. Alright, time to button her back up. debating if I want to actually put the engine covers back on or not. I don't know. Okay guys, so my battery died while I was putting my bumper and stuff back on, but the drugged up guy did run by. I don't think he saw me. I heard him before I saw him, and it wouldn't have been in frame, so you guys wouldn't have seen him. But yeah, sounds pretty good. It's an easy install. Just takes a little bit of time. So if you liked what you saw, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see, and I'll get these videos out here.